Hey, what's happening guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We're going to showcase some Toyota and Lexus SUVs today. Starting off with this 6th generation Toyota 4Runner. This one's going with a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup and some RRW RR7V wheels and Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. The Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup gives the 6th gen a 2.5 inch front lift and 3/4 inch rear lift, utilizing a preload collar and coil spacer on the factory springs and shocks. It's a cost-effective way to gain some height to fit some larger tires without making a big dent in your wallet. As mentioned, we're able to fit a larger tire size of 285/75/17 on here easily. And if you really wanted to, you can actually even fit some 35-inch tires on here with some trimming. The owner of this vehicle decided on the 34-inch equivalent 285/75/17 Nitto Ridge Grapplers, here along with some RRW RR7V flow-formed wheels in a 17x8.5 size with a positive 25 offset. This is the matte bronze finish with a matte black simulated beadlock ring. If you're looking for a set of RRW, check out our website at 88rotors.com. Use promo code YouTube, that's YOUTUBE, and get $100 off a set of 4 or $125 off a set of 5. We'll show you some more 6th gen 4Runners in a bit, but for now, check out this Nori Green Lexus GX550. We're keeping this one simple, running some 33-inch tires on some 18-inch Vossen wheels. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. If you're looking to get some work done by us, reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. Next up, we have a 5th generation Toyota 4Runner that's coming in for a lift, wheels, and tires. If you're looking for the best prices on lift kits that are pre-packaged, pre-assembled, and pre-adjusted for the perfect ride height, look no further. Our website, 88rotors.com, has lots of options for you to choose from. We have lift kits to fit all budgets, and our website is designed to help you take out the guesswork on what parts you need to order. We have them pre-packaged and ready to go. You can install it yourself the same day that you get it in the mail, or take it to your local, reputable shop to get it installed. We have 2 warehouses on the block, fully stocked with parts and accessories, ready to be shipped. We're installing the Method MR316s on here with some 285/70/17 Nitto Ridge Grappler tire. We also have the MT64 kits for the 6th gen 4Runner as well. This is a black 6th generation Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road. We're going to gain about 3 inches of lift in the front and 2 inches in the back with the old Man Emu MT64 setup with the upper control arms. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. The OME MT64 shocks deliver the control and confidence of a 2.8-inch shock without the added complexity. These kits come preset for 3 inches of front lift, but do have a 6-position ride height adjustment option using circlips in case you want to fine-tune your ride height after adding some minimal weight or for any other reason. They are maintenance-free shocks that are smooth and controlled for all-day comfort on or off-road. Our techs always cross-check their work and make sure all nuts and bolts are torqued down properly. We then go over every single nut and bolt that has been touched, and we mark it with a white paint pen. Not only does this mark mean that it has passed our quality control, it also adds value for the end user to easily take a peek down there to see if any nuts or bolts have turned themselves out, especially after a long day of off-roading. Here's the MT64 3-inch lift setup installed with the upper control arms. This kit also comes with the rear sway bar spacer, the rear brake line spacer, shocks, and coil springs that give it about 2 inches of lift. We're going with some machined SSW wheels on here in a 17x9 with a 0 offset. We wrapped it up in a 285/75/17 Falcon Wild Peak AT4W all-terrain tire. And there we have it. The suspension, wheels, and tires have been completed. We're going to bring it back down to the ground now, do a custom alignment, and fine-tune the caster for complete tire clearance, and bring it out for a quick test drive. Next up, we have a brand new 2026 Land Cruiser 250 that we previously installed a set of portal axles on. It's back today for us to install front and rear descent off-road bumpers and rock sliders. If you want to see the original build video of this vehicle, check out the caption below. Next up, we have this 5th generation magnetic gray metallic Toyota 4Runner. We're doing a BILSTEIN suspension lift on this one and a body mount chop to clear some more aggressive wheels and tires. Over on the other side, our techs are working on another 5th generation 4Runner, installing a C4 low pro bumper. We're installing a BAJA Designs S8 light bar inside the C4 Low Pro bumper, so our tech is installing and wiring it in now. We know that you guys hate waiting for parts, so we have all of these custom built to order parts in stock. We pre-order them and stock them at our warehouse. From bumpers to rock sliders to roof racks to hatch ladders, all those goodies are usually in stock and ready to go here at 88 Rotors, and we don't charge extra for that either. Next up, we have this underground gray 5th generation 4Runner with a king suspension setup with compression adjusters. We installed it with some CAMBURG tubular X-joint upper control arms, Duro bump stops, old Man Emu rear lift springs, and all the goodies to make this one a good one. Let's squeeze one more in for today. Here's a Land Cruiser 250 that's in for an EIBACH Stage 2R suspension lift setup with some CAMBURG tubular uniball upper control arms. We're gonna run some Black Rhino basins in full machined. 285, 75, 17 Toyo Open Country AT3s are gonna be wrapped on them. And that's pretty much gonna be a wrap for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. Until then, take care, guys.